Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and I have here one more wooden temple design for your home. In I think more than 2000 videos, 500 or 600 different videos I have shown you earlier for temples alone. And we have the biggest collection of home temples anywhere across the globe, all designs, all colors in solid teakwood. This is again one more teakwood design. I'll give you all the sizes, all the dimensions, and everything. Before that, a little background about our work, what we are doing. We are making temples and, in fact, all furniture, carving furniture, the designer furniture, royal furniture, premium furniture in solid teakwood and delivering across the globe. Arson is an international trademark registered in 35 plus countries, and more than 55 countries we have already delivered to. Entire India, from Kashmir to Andaman to Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat, all the areas we have covered, northeast, west, everywhere we have sent, and 55 countries. So wherever you are, we will deliver there. That's not an issue. One temple, one sofa, one bed, or the entire container, we have done it, and we can do that for you. Now, talking about this unit, this is 54 inches, 5'4", 54, 4.5 feet left to right. The total height is 6.5 feet, and front to back, this is 22 inches, a couple of inches less than 2 feet. And the sizes are as per client's requirement. Not just the sizes, but the design part. In a temple, there are a couple of things that we need to really understand before we are ordering it. How we pray. What is our puja tradition? We are sitting on the floor, we are sitting on a chowki, or we are standing and praying. Now you can see the platform height is 30 inches, 2.5 feet, and I am standing here, and it's the proper height when I am praying. Let me open the door so you can see. Let me open one door, and this is a double door, so it can be folded. So it takes less space when you open it outside. Now you can see I have easy reach, and the height is good enough. So when I place my deities inside, I'm getting a good height at my proper level. It's not very low, not very high. Now I'll close this so I can show you the other parts also. And this has got an interesting thing also. I'll show you in a little bit. Before that, the door has got Ashtalakshmi, Mata Lakshmi in 8 forms. All 8 forms that gives us Dhan, Dhanya, Santan, Aishwarya, and all these Adi Lakshmi. All these forms of Mata Lakshmi are the ones that gives us everything that we want in our life. Then we have Om and the Swastik and brass bells right here. It's a 4 door, double collapsible. So every door is collapsed into two. So it's a double door unit. And the entire work that you see, entire work on the unit is hand carved except the murti part. The murti is something that we make with machine, CNC machine. The murti part, the design part, this one also, and rest everything is hand carving. Apart from that, in the platform, we have got a bhog tray. A bhog tray is the one that is almost a full length, a bigger tray. And at the time of festivities, when we have a lot of bhog to offer, this one works really good. You can have a thali here and other things here. And it's a slider tray, so can be easily closed. Apart from that, underneath the design that you see, we have got these cabinets, we have got 3 drawers, and the other thing is the slider entire chalky. This entire thing comes out. So it works both ways. It works as a table in front if you want at the time of your festival or some tradition. When you want a bigger table, generally people arrange a different table and put it on the front, but here we have got a inbuilt table inside, and this is how it works, and very easy to slide inside. Simply push it back, it'll go inside. So quite easy. So we have customized the unit as per the requirement again, and this is the most important part. The unit is customized as per your puja tradition, as per your requirement, as per the color theme. Color theme is also important because this one is in light mahogany color, and the wood is teak wood, sagwan wood, as we say in Hindi, sagwan and teak wood in English. And this is what is required. The platform height, as I mentioned, the door part, the unit can be without doors also. And if you look on the top, the third and the most important part is the top part. We don't have any kalash, any gopuram, any design on the top. And this is also a puja tradition. This is also a requirement that people follow. If we go south, then most people have the gopuram designs and the kalash designs and very beautiful heavy top designs, because that is the tradition there. In North India, a lot of people don't like the top part, and this is how the unit is designed. So this is what we discuss with you when we discuss the requirement. The height part, the door part, the designing part, how you want it, the bhog tray, the puja tray, the diya tray if you want, the smaller tray, the kalash part, the depth of the units, even the sides if you see, the side part has got jali here. You want a fixed area, you want a closed area, you want it open. All these things are covered. And the finer details, I'll give you one more point here. If you see the elephant here, the elephant has got a trunk that is going downwards. A lot of people have got a different notion about this, different thinking about this. They want the trunks to be trunk, they want the trunk to be upwards or the elephant to be sitting. They're very fine requirements. But again, in Sanatan, our puja traditions do matter a lot. And a lot of things are also in line with our panchang, with our kundli, and some things are not favorable for our kundli. That's why our Panditji tells us that don't do this and do this. They're very simple things, very fine things, and logical things that are connected to us. And we follow everything that you think of, that you want, and design it accordingly. So the size, design, color, the patterns, door, without door, height of the jockey, diya tray, and this bhog tray, and the depth and the height, the kalash part, everything we have to decide. And we can discuss this, we can draw something, we mark the areas that you want to change, and accordingly we make a unit. And that is why we are getting so many different units done. Every day a new temple we are making, a new temple design. The basic design remains the same, the basic points remains the same, but the entire structure gives us a new look altogether. And we have got so many designs on the website aarsunwoods.com. And if you visit the testimonial section, you can see so many units that we have delivered across the globe, how the people have decorated the units, how they have placed the units, how they have decided on the steps part, the shelves part, the lighting part. Lighting is another important thing. These days, a lot of LED panel designs are coming. For the back, we are designing so many LED panels. It looks really beautiful when we have that. Even in my home temple, I have that Om design at the back. And when we place the deities in front, it comes out shimmering all from the back. The light comes out. It looks really beautiful. So everything depends on how you want it. The basic is we want our God's home, our Devta's home, our Bhagwan's home to be better than what we have. Our Bhagwan, our Devta have given us everything that we have in our lives. And we want their home that we have dedicated to them to be more beautiful, more amazing than what we have created for ourselves. So let's take a minute, let's take some time, and let's design the home properly for our deities, for our Devtas, for our Bhagwan, and make it the most beautiful one. And we will do what you like and deliver to your home at factory price with the quality, with the brand name of Aarsun. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss the requirement. Thank you. Dhanyawad.